Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is JENNI. I go by JENNI on Instagram and now YouTube. Okay, so for today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I am gonna go over JENNI Rivera x BeBella Cosmetics. I did put out a TikTok. Como les está calando en el negocio de grande, que alboroto traen conmigo. If you guys want to follow me on there too, it's just JENNI as well. But a lot of people loved it, and I know why, because it's talking about the queen, you know, JENNI. She's been part of like her childhood, she's been part of life, she's still going on. People, even including myself, we love her music. But anyway, she's a legend, and I just wanted to take the time and just dedicate this video to her. You guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and turn on your post notifications. I don't think I've ever said that, but make sure you do, because I'm going to be posting a lot of videos, and I hope you guys give me requests for something, and I'm not just here like, you know. But anyways, if you want to see this look, just keep on watching. So I always wait for you guys to actually look at packages. So today we're gonna go into JENNI Rivera collaboration with BeBella Cosmetics. This is my first time actually ever even trying BeBella Cosmetics. So yeah, and I've been wanting this palette, but I remember it sold out, you guys. So I was a little sad. Here it is. So, ooh. How pretty this packaging is. You open it up. Let me see if I can do it. So it's huge, you guys. Look at this. You get 2 pictures of her, and when I saw this, I was just at awe. And then, whoo, how stunning is this? Like, the packaging alone, I'm in love. This is such like a beautiful collection. I'm so thankful. The palettes, the highlights, which is up there, and then lashes. So that's why I already have my face done, so we can just get into it. So I'm excited. So what I always do is put setting powder underneath, so that the fallout, I can just brush it off. I always like starting with face. I know it's better to start off with eyes for fallout, but I just like a beat look while I'm doing my eyes. I don't know what it is about me. Anyways, it tells you the ingredients, and this palette's called, so it says Diva right there. And then you take that off, and it's the same. I like how this reflects. I don't know, I feel like it's litty. And then you open it up, and then this goes down like this. This is so unique and pretty. It comes with a mirror, which I think is pretty nice, because, you know, sometimes you're doing your makeup and you just want to grab the palette and, you know. And you know what it says in the back? It says, God created me, my parents conceived me, but my fans made me. I am eternally grateful, JENNI Rivera. And what I like to do, I like to go in with patty motion so I can get pigment. And as you guys can see, there's fallout, but I don't really care about fallout. I don't know, I mean, look at the pigment.
This curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
So I'm just blending these 2 colors out together, and they're blending pretty good together. That's exactly what I was hoping for. glam. Usually when lashes are very glam, they kind of like make your eyes look like they're kind of heavy, but not these ones. These are very lightweight. I like how you can still like focus on my eye makeup. It's like wispy out, so I like that. Like it just gives it that like she's glamorous. So for lips, I'm gonna go in with KKW Nude 2. I'm gonna open this one, and the same as a palette, this comes down. So this is Dama Divina. Get brushes like this, very you know, precise. And I'm just gonna go in. This is the final look with the eye palette, the lashes, the highlights, and honestly, Sunflowers, I really love it. One thing I would say about the palette is that it does have a lot of fallout, so if you're someone that is worried about the fallout, I would literally start off with the eyes and then just wipe off the fallouts. And then the lashes, they're very lightweight, and then the highlight, very true to skin, is very pretty. You know, overall with this palette, I would give it a 10 out of 10, me personally, because I just feel like the way that they presented the palette, the packaging, and then just how easily the colors blended together. If you guys have been following along, I do verses of the day. So basically every time after my video, I leave a verse. So if you guys have been staying for that, let me know in the comments below. Cause I don't know, I feel like it's a positive thing that I have put in my channel. I believe it was like, what, a month ago or so. If you want to look over it, it's going to be Romans 9, chapter 9, verse 8. And this is one of my favorites personally. So it says, "That is, they which are the children of the flesh, these are not the children of God, but the children of the promise are counted for the seed." Just have to look over it yourself so that you can receive the message that is saying it. But the message that I receive from it personally is basically, instead of living to serve God, some of us live in a way that we do to serve ourselves. It's all about me, 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 materialistic things for me, me, me. And sometimes, you know, I can even say that I get caught up in that, which I need to be like more careful of, so that it can help me put time into God as well, because we're basically building a seed every time we, you know, learn more about God. Open your Bibles. And yeah, I hope that helped. I hope that you understand what I kind of try to explain, but definitely look over that verse if you like. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment. Bless you, Sunflowers. I love you guys, and just stay blessed. Bye.
Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.